Hi, this is Steve from Signature Garden Services, quoting Anita Zerimis at 1 Towen View Court, Towen Mountain, for a retaining wall repair, rebuild. So everything that's discussed in this quote is included, and we'll start with, the scope of works is from this post here to this post here. That's what we need to replace. As you can see, not looking good, past its use by date, and so we're going to rebuild with 2.4, well, that's the material that we start with, 2.4 by 200 by 50 mil concrete retaining wall sleepers with galvanized steel posts. Now the retaining wall at the moment is it's about 2.1. It's not exactly 2.4, and that's good, so that we can basically chop the bases off all of these posts here, so that we don't have to, because there's concrete in the ground here. You know, it's very hard work to get these out. So, you know, because we're not bringing in excavators, because we're trying to keep costs down, we're cutting these posts off, leaving that under the ground, and then putting a post in elsewhere. So because this is 2.1, the first post will go here, and so on. We're going to move them around. The entire length here is just short of three 2.4 sleepers. It's just shy, so we need to go to the fourth. So that means that the 2.4s, we will be cutting them all and working out a way that they're more or less the same width, but we're avoiding the concrete that's in the ground as well. So we've got to get that balance right. So now that so the post will go, the timber will goes off to the tip, and then from here, from there to there, as I've said. So the wall, it will be 3 sleepers high. Once again, it's a little bit as you can see, there's a gap just in here. Not exactly sure what's happened there. I'm not sure how the timbers have ended up like that, but the wall at the moment is about 630, 640. So we're going to bring it down by 30 to 40 mil. So there'll be 3 sleepers. The first one will be sitting on the ground or just underneath it a tiny bit. And as you can see, with all of the erosion that's happened through the timbers, the ground's lower here. So what we are going to do is scrape back all of the pebble that's here, build the retaining wall basically like for like, but in concrete sleeper material, bring in some soil to fill this up to the level of 600. So it will be a little bit lower, but overall, scraping these pebbles and massaging it all, it should all work out fine. So yeah, it's kind of simple to explain, but yeah, the devil's in the detail, and we'll be all over these details and making sure that it's built properly and looking great at the end. So yeah, Steve from Signature Garden Services. Check out my reviews on Google. We always strive to do quality work. This job, we'll make sure that this is structurally sound and looks great. Cheers.